Hello, America. It's Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA with the marketing tip of the day. And this one is specifically targeted to people like dental offices, chiropractic offices, roofing companies, solar companies, and that is zone marketing. Let's say you sell a customer on 1354 Myrtle Avenue. You're a roofing contractor and you're putting a new roof on. Well, we can target around that address the 50 closest neighbors. And this is taking the assumption that people live in similar neighborhoods, have similar needs. You know, the homes, if you're selling roofs, were probably built in a similar time period. Will be getting old about the same time. We do 3 mailings. So we target, like when you're moving, you're going into the neighborhood or you're in the neighborhood, hey, we're putting a roof down the street. Please excuse our mess, our noise. Then a few days later, we do a follow-up mailing. Hey, we're in the neighborhood. We apologize for the dust. We've got a special offer since we're in the neighborhood. If you think you might need a new roof, call us over and get a free estimate. So the third one would be a follow-up to the second one, which, hey, we're in your neighborhood. Last offer to get a great deal on a new roof on that thing. You can do the same thing for dental marketing because you have a list where all of your patients are. All I need is the addresses, and then we can pull the 50 closest homes around that. And it's a very effective way to market. It's a very compartmentalized type of marketing, and it can be very effective for a lot of type of businesses. So I hope that helped today, and I hope you have a great day.